Welcome back to another day of Vlogvember. It is your favorite cousin on the internet. My name is Vivian if you are new, and if you are returning, you already knew that. In today's video, y'all, I got a custom sticker order. I'm so excited for this order. This video is really kind of short because it didn't take me too long to do it, but I just want you guys to see how I make the stickers and the process. Towards the end, baby, that thing messed up and I had to start over the next day, which y'all will see at the end. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
It's towards the end of the day. It's $3.50.
And then after payment, I'll go ahead and start making the stickers. In the meantime, did you want a full sticker sheet?
Yeah, I appreciate it. Just send the invoice whenever you can.
Yeah, I really feel like it's gonna look so good. I want to see because this ain't that strong anymore, and I do not need this to mess up. So we gonna put it on a new mat because this sticker order is a full sheet, so I don't want it to. Yesterday I was doing this, child, a whole sheet just ripped up, and I literally wasted my paper. I'm trying to make sure it's in here good. Y'all, look at this. What the hell? It was supposed to do a sheet. Now I changed the settings for this one, so let's see. Right now it's just scanning, and then I'll come back when it starts doing its thing. Special shout out to Simone Sweet Shop for the custom sticker order. I really appreciate you, Simone, for rocking with your girl. Like, we met at the market, which I already vlogged. You guys probably already saw that. But y'all, her food bussin'. When I tell you it's bussin', I don't know if she has a website, but I know you can definitely reach out to her via Instagram DM. I will have all of her information linked in the description box. But thank you again, and y'all, every time I have a holiday, birthday, whatever, I am reaching out to Simone. And I'm not saying that she did not sponsor this video, y'all. Her stuff is really that good. Like, if you don't really like too sweet of cake or too sweet of icing, like the perfect combination, like you can literally eat her stuff without milk. That's how good it is. Milk is a added bonus, don't get me wrong. Nah. All right. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. See you tomorrow.